Hi guys, I'm Mark Leon Peña, Sales Executive from Mitsubishi Gateway, Quezon Avenue. So kung naghahanap kayo ng naka-zero down payment and low down payment, so may mga i-offer ako sa inyo. So samahan niyo ako. So sa ating X-Force GLS CVT, naka-zero down payment and then free 1-month amortization. Guys, kung fuel efficient ang hanap mo na naka-zero down payment, ito ang ating 5-seater na Mirage G4 with free 2 months amortization. Number 1 MPV in the Philippines. So, Expander Cross, 18,000 down payment, then free 1-month amortization. Pick up naman ang hanap mo is meron tayong Triton GLX automatic transmission, 29,000 down payment. So guys, kung interested kayo sa aking offer, message nyo lang ako sa aking contact number, sa aking social media account. Kita-kits po tayo sa release day.